I have been involved in MotoGP project since 2001 as an electronic control engineer. My current role is a project leader of Yamaha MotoGP group, and it is a very, very good opportunity for me.
Frustration. Fabio Quartararo lost 8th place on that last lap. A sitting duck, completely powerless, absolutely nothing he could do about this.
Of course, we understand what rider wants for the bike is a top speed mainly. We have been able to get the maximum performance from the engine yet. There are many reasons. For example, the engine durability, engine character. If we only focus for the top speed, maybe engine can be aggressive. So we try to optimize the engine. It's very, very difficult. But this is one of the factors. So we try to optimize all the areas. Engine, chassis, also the aerodynamics has been modified.
2019, the bike, I had to be super smooth to make it work. And now it's opposite. I'm riding super aggressive and I feel on the limit everywhere.
I don't know if our bike is more aggressive. Now it is very difficult to win the bike with the same concept because now other manufacturer is very, very strong. We try to make a good balance with a high power engine with smooth character. Yamaha has been tested 2023 bike.
First steps with the 23 bike was good.
We collected a lot of data. The engine feels good, the chassis feels good as well.
They work pretty well in the area of acceleration and top speed, so I'm pretty happy.
Our next year L package, we think that can be competitive. There are still a lot of space that we can do with inline 4 engine, and if we think the other engine there has more benefit than inline 4, yeah, we will consider. I think we are going to the right direction.